kids public speaking class because it is fun. I learn how to communicate with people, and also the teachers there are funny, like Teacher Cherry and Teacher Johan. I learned to be confident, and I learned to speak on the stage, and also other great things. Yes, come and join us.
Hi, I'm Taman. I'm 7 years old. I like the class because it's fun. Now I can speak on stage. Come and join us now. Yay!
Hi everyone, my name is Jingy. I am 8 years old. Today we learn about public speaking skills. I like Teacher Cherry and Teacher Johan too. It is fun. Today we also tell a story on the stage. It is fun. Come and join us. Hello everyone. My name is Divya. I am 7 years old. I like the public speaking class because I can meet many friends. I learn public speaking skills and I can speak on stage. Come and join us.
Hello, I am Lydia Jun. I like today's class. I can speak on stage now. I'm more confident. Yay! Come and join us.
My name is Ashif Basil. I love the public speaking because I'm not nervous anymore. Speak in the stage. Come and join us next time. The public speaking is here today. It's good to kids. Yeah.